cracking? So we're back today again, and we're working on the Monte. So I'm just pulling trim off right now. This hood trim, it's just press fit. So get your favorite little wooden block, put it on the edge, and just tap it off. Just tap it all the way along, and it'll come off. We're gonna pull off this fender trim, and then I'm gonna try to get that lower trim off. And that lower trim, I'm curious how rusted this fender is, because they don't make these anymore, and I need to know how bad they are to see if I can even save them. I think this one's gonna be okay. We got a few spots down there, but the driver's side is much worse. So I'm gonna pull these. There's just some screws. You can see one there, and then I'm gonna pull those bolts out of the fender well also, and I'll be back. So we're pulling this fender off, and you gotta remember, these are old school. See, there's 3 shims right there. Those are used to shim the body out so body lines match up. I'm sure we got some up top too. So you have 2 bolts there. You have a couple bolts on here, one there, and then there's one down over there also you got to get out. And then from the other side you have that one, that one, that one, and then you got to take the hood hinge off. And then you have a bolt down there. I have a bolt right there. I have a bolt right there. So this one, that one, and the one down there are 14 millimeter. The others are 13 millimeter. I'm not going to fully pull this off yet. I'm going to work on the other side a little bit, and then I don't have someone to help me lift this 900-pound hood off, so we're kind of waiting on that. But I'm going to work on pulling some of this front end off. I'm going to try to pull most of it off in one piece. So, you know, you have the bolts there, and then right here, and then the same over there. And then there's some down below. I did get all the trim off this door, or this fender I should say, except the back trim I haven't got off yet because you got to pull the fender off. But this piece, there's 3 of them, 1 on the front, 2 on the back, and it sits like that. So a lot of this trim is super hard to find, so try not to destroy it when you take it off. It is stainless steel trim. So we're going to polish most of it up, see what we can do. I have kind of a goober right there. I'm going to try to heat that up with a heat gun and kind of pop that back out a little bit. A lot of the parts for these are discontinued, unfortunately. So we're going to be trying to do the best we can with what we have. But yeah, that's it for now. Like, subscribe, follow along. This is going to be a fun one. Deuces.